Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will show you how to repair the display on a microcar MC1, MC2 and MGO using Minitools part SEPDISP41, which you can buy from our online store minitools.com. For this repair, you will need a large Phillips screwdriver, Minitools tweezers SEI MTQ13, Minitools part SEPDISP41. Position the dashboard as shown and unscrew the 4 Phillips screws using the appropriate screwdriver. Use tweezers SEI MTQ13 to undo the connector and release the flat ribbon connector. Now you're ready to replace the display with Minitools part SEPDISP41. Remove the protective film from both sides of the display and position the LCD as shown. Insert the plastic front and turn the dashboard so that the flat ribbon connector fits into the appropriate connector. Secure the dashboard by tightening the 4 metal screws. Lastly, switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of tools for repairing dashboards. Like our channel and sign up to follow our tutorials. Thank you for choosing Minitools.